Hi, folks. Clayton here from eGuide Tech Allies. This week's newsletter comes to you from the coaching perspective. And at eGuide Coaching, we are constantly helping small and medium-sized organizations collaborate better. Everyone loves the idea of a collaboration, but what do we mean when we say that word, and how do we actually achieve it? Well, the first article below breaks down what it means to collaborate, what it is, what it isn't, and how compassion and non-judgment play a critical role here. The second article is a great collaboration exercise for leadership teams or team units at any level of the organization. It's going to help you break down your roles and responsibilities in a way that is clear and concise, and dare we say, fun? Emojis, lucid spark, yes, please. Lastly, let's talk a little bit about workflows, because if the problem isn't the people, it's the process. The third article below is going to show you some techniques to support the growth of a collaborative work culture by ensuring that your processes aren't getting in the way. All this and much, much more this week. Thank you folks so much. And please let us know if you have any questions at all. We are here for you.